palming in order to nourish the eyes with our palm, because there's self-communication. So you rub your hands and put your hands around the eye orbits. And the problem, can you put like your bag or something so your elbows are not, you don't hold the shoulders, yeah? Because we're going to do it for the next 4 minutes. We should actually do it for 6, but we don't have 6 minutes. Okay? So, can you put it there? Okay. So breathe deeply and slowly. And Eric, did you take a left foot suitcase?
Yes. Let me just, part of the, Meir may have explained already. The eyes basically need time to regenerate and relax. And one of the quickest techniques people found was a technique called palming, where basically you're putting your palms against the face. Meir will explain more, but at that moment you're almost seeing no color, you're seeing basically black, ideally.
As if you're in a cave.
And the eyes can truly relax. And the key is to be have your shoulders be relaxed, your neck be relaxed, and that is almost impossible if you're sitting there holding your arms up like this. And that's why you use something like this, so you can just let yourself rest and do
Right,
this.
you're doing the right thing, putting it here. So you relax, you can put some of, well, you know, like you can also sit on the floor and put your elbows on the chair. But I'm doing it like this, so put anything. The point is, don't ever put pressure on your cheekbones. You don't touch the eyes. You put your hands around the cheekbones and visualize you're seeing darkness and maybe even blackness. All of you, please do this. Because after being outdoors, you need to really relax the eyes indoors. By the way, can any one of you see black? Because many people see colors, right? But if you see black, it means your optic nerve is completely relaxing. So normally it takes 6 minutes until all the debris in the retina goes away. Count to 6 when you inhale and to 9 when you exhale, and inhale and exhale through your nose. Slow down your breathing. Visualize your eyes as soft and warm. Feel how your back expands when you breathe in and shrinks when you breathe out. And make sure again that you put no pressure on your cheekbones. Visualize your neck expands when you breathe in and shrinks when you breathe out. And breathe deeply and slowly. Slowly and deeply. Slowly take your hands off. So I'd like to thank you very, very much for listening to me. I'd like to thank you very much for attending my class. And I'd like to thank Eric very, very much for bringing me here. And I'll tell you, you're going to have a very good and very comprehensive class with him.